Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all right. के छ साथीहरू आरामै हुनुहुन्छ? पक्कै तपाईँ आरामै हुनुहुन्छ होला। आज चाहिँ हामी अर्को चाहिँ टपिक लिएर आएका छौँ। त्यो चाहिँ टपिक रहेको छ टेन्सेस, जसलाई हामी टाइम पनि भन्छौँ, जसलाई नेपालीमा काल र समय भन्छौँ। साथीहरू यो इङ्ग्लिस ग्रामरको चाहिँ यो टेन्स भनेको अति महत्त्वपूर्ण चाहिँ टपिक हुन आउँछ र आज यसको चाहिँ कन्सेप्ट पहिला चाहिँ हामीले थाहा हुन अति आवश्यक छ। कन्सेप्ट हामी थाहा राख्यो भने यसका चाहिँ युजहरू हामी इजिली चाहिँ हामी बुझ्न सक्छौँ। त्यसो भए चाहिँ हामी यहाँ चाहिँ हेरौँ साथीहरू के रहेछ त्यसको कन्सेप्टमा जान्नुपर्ने कुराहरू के रहेछ त बेसिक कुरा चाहिँ हामीले जुन थाहा हुनुपर्ने कुरा के रहेछ भने जस्ट I have written here a tenses that is called also time, जसलाई हामी नेपालीमा काल र समय भन्छौँ। यो साथीहरूले थाहा भएको कुरा हो। Just I have written something about your tense. Tense is the form of the verb. So basically what should we understand? Tense is the form of verb. So tense is known with the help of verb that we can say. It is divided into three types, and that is common thing that all of you know about it. So that are the present, past and future tenses. These are the three tenses, and these three types of tenses have divided into four subtypes. Four subtypes. So what are their four subtypes? That can be also said aspect of tense. Tense का पक्षहरू, काल का पक्षहरू पनि हामी भन्छौँ। That are simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So these are the subtypes of tenses. Likewise here time. Time is used in an ordinary sense as we know it in life. So time is that is known as ordinary sense as we know it in our life. It has three dimensions. So time has also three dimensions: the present, past and the future time. So time has not yet further types, further aspects that we can see here. So this is here basically here the definition you can say, and basic understanding you can see of your time and tenses. After that here comes types of tenses. Just you can see here this side types are written, subtypes are written, and then here structures are written. Just so I'm going to read out whatever here written. Present tense, subtypes: simple present, present continuous. Simple present is structure becomes subject plus verb 1 by 5 plus subject. Present continuous, subject plus n is r plus by 4 plus subject. Present perfect, have has plus verb 3 plus subject. Present perfect continuous, subject plus have has plus been plus by 4 plus subject. Likewise here in a past tense, it has also 4 division, subdivision: simple past, subject plus verb 2 plus subject; past continuous, subject plus was were plus by 4 plus subject; past perfect, subject plus had plus verb 3; and past perfect continuous, that is subject plus had been plus verb 4 plus object. Had been plus verb 4 plus object. After that there comes future tense. So future tense here it has also 4 subdivision. Simple future, that is structure is subject plus shall will plus verb 1 plus subject. Likewise here future continuous, subject plus shall will plus be plus verb 4 plus subject. Future perfect, subject plus shall will plus have plus verb 3 plus object. And then the 12th aspect subtypes, that is future perfect continuous. So future perfect continuous, subject plus shall will plus have been plus verb 4 plus object. So these are the structures and subtypes of tenses that you can easily understand and easily you can see, and you should set up all these structures these subtypes and types in your mind. So in further discussion of this topic, you can easily get the point and easily you can set up your simple present tense. जुन स्ट्रक्चर हामीले चाहिँ थाहा भइसकेको कुरा हो, सब्जेक्ट प्लस भवन भए प्लस सब्जेक्ट हुन्छ. And just try to understand what does simple present means and what does it tells. That we should understand here. So here is telling it is the form of the verb. So simple present tense is the form of verb. Simply we can understand in this way. And which doesn't tell the time of action. र यसले चाहिँ that action कतिखेर भयो भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यसले भन्दैन. It just tells the state of action. यसले चाहिँ त्यो एक्सनको अवस्था मात्रै जनाउँछ र कतिखेर के कतिखेर भयो भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यसले भन्दैन. So basically here we should understand this is here the subtype of present tense, the first subtype, that is simple present tense, and its structure is subject plus verb plus subject. After that you can see here some examples, and these examples will tell us something more about this simple present tense. So just try to understand here these examples, what are they telling. So here is telling, I read my book. Just here, I, base form of verb, that is verb 1, and after that here noun phrase. He loves his school, you help the poor, they love their country, he loves. So this is structure I have written, subject plus verb in this sentence is structure form. Likewise here, he is a student. Now subject plus be verb is here is, and then after that here noun phrase. So here these examples are here telling that we have followed here this structure, as well as in these two sentences we got here a different structure, that is here is subject plus verb 5, and here is that subject plus be verb plus noun phrase. So what should we understand here also, that I, you, they and plural subjects that are agree with verb 1. So you should not forget it. Likewise, he, she, it and singular subjects that are agree with verb 5. Fifth form of verb that we should understand. And whatever the sentences here written, that can be also changed into other sentences. So all are affirmative sentences and can be changed into other too. Mean to say that we can make them negative also, interrogative also. That we understood up to here, whatever here given. After that here comes the use of simple present tense. So for that one, we should set up in our mind this trick, and this trick will help us to understand the use of simple present tense. How many use? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 use we can understand here through these type of tricks. 14 use we can understand. Just look here the sentences and try to understand. She gets married next year. So what can we see here? Is she is going to marry just now? It is not. It express future plan or program. So whenever we discuss about a future plan and program, there can be use of simple present tense. So here she gets become. Likewise, I get up at 4 a.m. So getting up in the morning, every day getting up in the morning, that is a regular action. So what can we say? Whenever we express regular action, there can be use of simple present tense. Likewise here the third one, passengers are safe. So this sentence here is telling here existence, situation or position in the present. So whenever we express existence, situation or the position of present, at that time we can also use simple present tense, but here is not verb 5, here is the verb. So we already understood here uh, the sentences that are used where there is use of be verb of simple present, that also come under it. So we have this one. साथीहरूले यो एफआरई जुन फ्री हामीले कुरा गरेका थियौँ यो ट्रिकमा, यो तपाईहरुले चाहिँ जानिसकेपछि अब आउँछ हाम्रो यसको ठीक भन्ने चाहिँ आउँछ। अब यहाँ जानु है। अब कस्तो चाहिँ अवस्थामा हामीले सिम्पल प्रेजेन्ट टेन्सको हामी युज गर्न सक्छौँ। जस्ट यु क्यान सी immediately the police hurries to the place of occurrence. So this sentence is telling here in a dramatic narratives, in a drama, when we tell something in a dramatic way or the scene of drama, at that time we can use here simple present tense. So I wrote here dramatic narratives. So here D indicate that. Likewise here C always comes late. So this is C always comes late. It is related with habitual action. So what can we say? Whenever we tell about habitual action or somebody or someone else, we can use there a simple present tense. So this is called habitual action. In this sentence here is telling about habitual action. So here subject plus verb indicate. Have the poor. So here I indicate imperative sentence. So here have the poor is imperative sentence, and just you can see have the poor here you is silent. But imperative sentence you is not mentioned, that we should understand there a hidden you. So it is also here the thing that is related with the simple present tense. Likewise next one, I have a car. So this is possessions and ownership. So whenever we discuss or whenever we tell about the position or ownership of something, there can be also use of simple present tense. But here have is here what? That be verb. You can say that have verb we can say. Nepal beats India in this match. So here series of event, and whenever we do comment or commentary of any live games or something which is going on at the time of speaking, something is going on there in a series, at that time we can also use simple present tense. So here became beats Nepal beats India in this match, means to say that match is going on. So in that way, milk is white. So milk is white, this is general fact. So here we should understand here not only in a general facts, universal fact, principles, there can be use of simple present tense. The PM only resigns. So this is newspaper headlines. So whenever we write newspaper headlines, there can be use also of simple present tense. After that, beauty is to see, not to touch. This is quotation. So whenever we write quotation, whenever we say quotation, at that time also you can see there become use of simple present tense. So this is quotation. If you give me blood, I will give you freedom. So this is related with the conditional sentence. So you can see also in a conditional sentence of type 1, there you can see, and type even type 0 or type 1, there become use of a conditional sentence. So here C indicate, this C indicate of here conditional sentence. So just I have written here conditional sentence. You know very well that in a conditional sentence of type 0 and type 1, there become use of simple present tense. Now after that here come be. So related to be, you should here keep in your mind some of verbs like here hear, notice, see, smell and recognize. It is related with the perceptional verb. Perception, you can verb of perception this is. Likewise belong, contain, on, possess, consist of, these are the verb of possession. appear, look, see. These are the verbs of appearing. Desire, feel, hate, hope, love, refuse, want, wish, like, and prefer. These are the verb of emotion. After that, you think, surprise, understand, agree, believe, consider, forget, know, mean, imagine, mind, and remember. These are the verbs of thinking. So here with these verbs you can use only simple present tense. So these are the list of verbs that you should keep in your mind. I hope you understood the all use of your simple present tense from here 1 to 14 use we understood through this trick. I hope you understood whatever here up to now discussed related with simple present tense. Thank you very much for watching this video.